Is your iPhone stuck on the frustrating unable to activate screen? This common problem blocks you from setting up your device or accessing the home screen? Let us resolve this now.
First, check Apple's system status page to verify if their activation servers are online. If they are green, force restart your iPhone by quickly pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the power button. This clears temporary system glitches immediately.
Second, switch from cellular data to a stable Wi-Fi network, or connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. Open iTunes or Finder, and let the computer activate the device over its direct internet connection. This bypasses device network issues.
Third, eject your SIM card and reinsert it properly to ensure carrier contact. If you see the activation lock screen, you must enter the original Apple ID and password. The previous owner can also remove it remotely via iCloud.com.
If these steps fail, tap the info icon at the bottom right. If the IMEI number is missing, your phone has a baseband hardware failure and needs professional board repair. Other causes include server overload or carrier locks.
Your activation issue should now be resolved. Please note that these troubleshooting methods are for educational purposes only. If this guide helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below.